accountants here, traditional accountants, CPA, anybody? I will tell you, if you go down that track, the first thing you learn is cash is king, and there is nothing else.
In this episode of Trading on the Road, we are headed to Atlanta for our first annual Traders Retreat. This video will include clips from the retreat and pictures and videos of how I travel and trade while including family and friends.
Hey, Rachel. Bye-bye, Rachel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I am now saying goodbye to the family and headed to airport security to catch my early morning flight. I just got off the plane and I'm walking through the very big Atlanta airport and headed to the Uber pickup area. I am now in the Uber, headed to the hotel in downtown Atlanta. I have arrived at the hotel about 8:30 a.m. and I'm working in the lobby as the excellent hotel staff processes my early check-in. This is me heading to the hotel room. I will show you around the room some. Across the street from the hotel was the Atlanta Aquarium. I received a welcome letter and goodie bag from the hotel staff. It was super sweet of them to welcome me in such a special way. This is the next morning and the photographer is getting ready for our retreat. I'm checking out the layout and checking on Danielle, who has coordinated all the retreat activities. This is a short clip of Ernie leading a session.
And do I have any other accountants here, traditional accountants, CPA, anybody? I will tell you, if you go down that track, the first thing you learn is cash is king, and there is nothing else. That's it. Cash flow is king, there is nothing else. So my whole background, practically my entire career is risk has to be off the table. Cash is the only thing that's of importance. And I spent the majority of my life not investing, and the majority of my dollars that I made through other mechanisms, putting it in the market with other people managing it and watching them squander it and then go down. And so it got to a discipline where I didn't even want to invest.
It is now Friday night and we are headed to the retreat's happy hour. Here's some images from the happy hour. It is now Saturday morning and we are getting ready for our last few retreat sessions. This is another quick glimpse into the retreat.
He's got this thing called a depreciation schedule, where they basically say the useful life of that structure is going down every year.
The retreat has ended and we are taking some closing photos. After the retreat, I went to Rome, Georgia to spend some time with my best friend and his wife.
Say hello.
I am heading home now. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in joining the Dorian Trader, please check the description area. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.